Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're driving a 2025 model and suddenly notice your tire pressure light blinking, don't panic. We're here to break it down for you. This light is part of your vehicle's tire pressure monitoring system, TPMS, a key safety feature designed to keep you safe on the road. But why is it blinking? Let's dive in. First, a blinking TPMS light usually signals a system malfunction, unlike a steady light which just means your tires are low on pressure. In 2025 vehicles, this could be due to advanced sensors reacting to various issues. Common causes include a faulty sensor in one of your tires, which might have been damaged or worn out over time. Another possibility is a low battery in the sensor. Yes, even in newer cars, this can happen. Environmental factors like extreme temperatures or road debris can also trigger it, causing the system to detect inconsistencies. So, what should you do? Start by checking your tire pressure manually. Grab a tire pressure gauge from your glove compartment or a nearby auto shop, and compare it to the recommended PSI. You can find this info in your owner's manual or on the driver's door label. If the pressure is low, inflate the tires to the correct level using an air compressor. Once that's done, reset the TPMS. In most 2025 models, this involves holding a reset button on your dashboard for a few seconds. Check your manual for the exact steps. If the light stops blinking, great. But if it persists, it might indicate a deeper problem, like a sensor needing replacement. Remember, keeping an eye on your tires isn't just about lights, it's about safety. Properly inflated tires improve fuel efficiency, handling, and prevent blowouts. If you're unsure, always consult a professional mechanic to avoid any risks. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick car tips. Stay safe on the roads, and we'll see you in the next video.